What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to cover the Roush quad exhaust for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang GT and how to make it active on the cheap. Let's check it out.
Do a little demonstration. I do want to mention I do have a thread on Mustang 6G forums. Did a pretty decent write-up on it. It's got some pictures and also some other videos that I took. I'll put that link in the description, and I want to give you a little demonstration. Hopefully you can see that. Here we go. Right now they're closed. We're going to hit the open button. Fully open and closed. So first things first, you'll need the Roush quad exhaust. Now this came factory from Roush on the Roush versions of the 15 to 17 S550. I bought it off Craigslist, but you can get it at many different retailers. So let's see if I can get y'all down there to check that out. So if you can see that. So what I did is I wanted to make it active. Now the Roush kit is extremely expensive, and there was no way I was going to pay that much to make it active. So I did a little research, looking for electric cutouts, and found some on eBay. I could not find the 2-bolt, which is what the factory Roush setup uses. They use a 2-bolt flange. I could not find any that were 2-bolt, so I ended up getting a 3-bolt and drilling an extra hole in each cutout and was able to bolt it up. So what I use to control it, you can see in here, is I'm using a QTP wireless controller. I bought that off eBay. I can't remember exactly what it cost. It's been a while, but I don't think it was too pricey. But instead of, mounting a momentary switch and trying to figure out where to place it, this was the easiest way to go. It does use a key fob remote, which I will show you. But it does use a key fob remote, and it's labeled open and close. These are momentary switches. As long as you press the button, it's going to operate the cutout, and then you just let go. Now it'll open as much as for as long as you hold the button. So if you wanted it open just a little bit, you just hold a little bit and then let it go, that kind of deal. So it works really well, and I will show a demonstration of that. The way I've got it wired is I have an amp back here in my trunk, and I just tapped into the firewire for it. So mine is hot all the time. I may change that later on, but for right now, as long as you're not pushing the button, I don't really think it uses any power, so I think it's good there. But I mounted the controller with 3M tape, mounted it inside the air compressor foam holder piece, whatever you want to call it, and it's out of sight once the compressor is in there. And then what I use to run the wires up through, if you can see, use the grommet on the driver's side, ran the wires up through into the controller. Now underneath, let's see if I can get you a good shot of the cutouts. If I can get under here, if you can see the cutout, have it mounted where the motor is up. I didn't want to hang it down, didn't want to, you know, get any moisture collected in it, anything like that, or, you know, hitting the ground or a speed bump even. So I was actually able to mount them up. I don't think it matters, you know, which cutout goes where, as long as they open and close. So that worked out fairly well. Now I'll show a little demonstration of them working. I also have some clips on here of driving the car down the road, so you can hear the sound difference on a cold start. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'd be glad to answer them for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you get updates. And we will see you next time.
Perfect.